All right, guys, last one. Woohoo! And I'm going to go fast through this so you can have time to get to your homework. But I'm hoping that you understood this. Also, it doesn't matter if I do a fast video because you can just pause it if you get stuck. Okay. And ask your partners for help. Okay. So let's do 7 number A, letter A. So remember the rule is, this is in general. Let me just rewrite it out here. We have x, 2x is the hypotenuse, and the long leg is x square root of 3. Short leg is x, long leg is x squared root of 3, hypotenuse is 2x. So if I'm given the hypotenuse is 36, that's 2x, that means to get to the short leg we have to divide it by 2. So x is 18. Once we have the short leg, I can multiply by the square root of 3. So y would become 18 square root of 3. Okay, those are the rules. If you're confused on why those rules are the way that they are, do the Pythagorean theorem over and over again. Okay, but these are the rules you need to know. B, 12 square root of 3 is the long leg. So to go from long leg to short leg, you're going to divide by the square root of 3. That basically cancels that out, and I'm left with 12. Okay, if the short leg is 12, the hypotenuse, you multiply by 2, so y is 24. 12 times 2 is 24. For C, the short leg is 48. So let me do the hypotenuse first, because that one's easier. I'm going to multiply by 2, so y is 96. And this one's actually even easier. 48 times the square root of 3. That's going to be 48 square root of 3. That's it. See how easy that is? Okay, D is a little bit different, so stay with me here. We'll do this part first. We're going to multiply by the, to get the hypotenuse, we're going to multiply by 2. So that would become 5 square root of 3 times 2 would become 10 square root of 3. Remember, you multiply those coefficients together. Now, to get the long leg, you're multiplying by the square root of 3. So here's what that would look like. 5 square root of 3 times the square root of 3. Well, if I multiply those 3's together, I'm going to get the square root of 9. But isn't the square root of 9 just 3? So this would become 5 times 3, which is 15. So y is 15. That one's a little tricky. Okay. But you'll have more practice like that on the homework. Most of the questions should be pretty straightforward, like A, B, and C. You might have a couple like D. You might have to rationalize. But I can post some extra videos about rationalizing too, if that would help. Okay? All right, so your homework is one part online on Pearson. That's what you should be working on right now. Make sure you bring these notes with you to next class for your quiz. If you have questions, you need help, you don't understand this lesson at all whatsoever, please come see me in my lunch or advocacy tutorials on, well, Wednesday would have to be lunch because there's no advocacy due to Spotlight. And then Thursday, I will be in there, advocacy and lunch. You can also feel free to message me, whether that's right now while you're working in class or at home on Google Classroom, and I'll do my best to respond and answer any questions. And we will have a little bit of time before our quiz to go over any questions that you had. I don't want to force you to take this quiz if you have no idea what the lesson was about. Okay? But before you freak out, just do the homework and see if that makes a little bit more sense. Okay? Do the homework. Do the homework. All right, you're working on the homework right now, so have fun with that. And be nice for the sub, or else I will disown all of you. Just kidding. Okay, I miss your faces, and I hope you're having a great day. I wish I was there with you so I could teach you all about this, but it's okay. Okay, see you later. Bye. Bye. There we go.